After walking for hours and hours on the beach, we finally found a tree which has some shade, because the whole beach doesn't have a single tree on it. Apparently they took it off and didn't plant it any new trees. This is the only tiny tree with a little bit of shade on the beach of Geger beside Mulia Hotel. And as far as you can see, the water seems cleaner than on the west coast of Bali, but the waves are much further away from the shore, so it might be a bit difficult for surfers, but if you just want to plunge in the sea, it's a good place to go. The entrance fee is 3,000 rupiah per person, and they have like a small motorbike parking, and you can rent umbrellas over there, but you have to pay probably 100,000, and it's still very hot underneath it, so it's better to find this tree, which probably will be bigger by the time you see this video, or it will be chopped off. So better